after yesterday's hailstorm. This morning, it's all kind of foggy. Not sure what the temperature is. I didn't check before I came out here, but I saw it all foggy looking cool. When I looked out here a little bit earlier, the fog was even closer to us, but it's starting to dissipate now. I can actually see it moving. Everything smells so good. You know how much I love the pine trees. And after a rain, I mean it rained yesterday too, so pretty, pretty, pretty. Well, we finally had the opportunity. Tom is cleaning the roof of Halo. So for a change, I get to document and he gets to scrub. What do you think about that, Gary? Can't see him. He's on the other side. Go see. Don't spray. It's up there somewhere. Say hello.
Hey!
He scrubs the outside, I scrub the inside.
You know, for a half-assed job, it doesn't look too bad.
Good. It'll help, that's for sure, huh?
It'll help. You know, we're only using, what, Dawn?
Yeah.
Not really using any store-bought specialty roof cleaner or anything like that. Thought we'd just give this a shot.
Some hot, soapy water.
Just for the heck of it. Once I get this corner done, I'm going to stand back, watch it dry. Ah!
Did you kick the sprayer?
Kick the sprayer on the hose. It's like, oh, that's cold.
Woo!
Well, here we are up on top of the RV this morning. We're going to clean some RV roof is what we're going to do this morning before the heat hits. So I got my hose run up here, got a bucket of Dawn, and I got the hose wrapped around the base of the antenna so it doesn't slide back off of the roof. That's a good thing to do because it's totally, you know, your antenna's solid. As long as I'm not pulling on it and it's just laying there, I think it's a good deal. So we started cleaning. We'll see if it really makes a difference. I mean, the roof doesn't look that dirty to begin with. Let's go into the sun. I mean, it's a, you know, there's dirt and grime up here, but for the most part, it's a fairly clean roof. We've been in very dusty areas, so even just giving it a good rinse is going to help. But so far so good. I did above the bedroom dome. I guess you can tell a difference. You can see some white and a little dark areas. The dark areas, really, I've already washed that. It's just that they are, I don't know, stained, I guess. So after washing the roof, I mean, there's a lot of shadows up here, so it's kind of tough to see. That's not a crack. That was there when we bought it. But it looks like somebody tried to seal something, and I've resealed it a couple times. But it is a pretty nice clean white roof now. Still some dark spots, some stains. But you know what, for the most part, it doesn't look bad at all. Not at all. I think Dawn detergent with some nice warm water does the trick. Clean it off. It even cleaned off the edges for me. For the most part. I mean, there's still the seal along there, which I'm going to replace this summer. I'm going to peel it all up and put all new die cord down all the way around the roof, the seals, the vent covers. I doubt we'll replace those since we just put those on in December. But we'll get all that done this summer while we're here camp hosting at this beautiful, beautiful park south of Truckee, just north of Lake Tahoe. Martis Creek Campground, a Corps of Engineers park. Beautiful up here.